What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Nick.
My name's Nathan.
And this is Throttle Cars. Today we're going to be doing a video with our all-new drone. We got a DJI Mini 2. So we're going to be getting a lot of drone shots here today, mostly of the Acura TL. We're going to do some on the dam where we did some rollers in a couple videos ago, and some other places as well. So with that said, we'll jump right into the video.
Alright guys, so you can see right here we have this drone in my hands. This is the DJI Mini 2. This thing folds up just like the Mavic. So you can see here, I'm going to fold it all the way out, and you can see it really fits. It's about the size of my hand whenever it is completely folded up, and then it gets a little bit bigger, but it's still very easy to carry around and very light. You can see it's got all the propellers around, and this is going to be used to film some pretty cool shots and really help out the channel.
Alright guys, so one of the main reasons I went with the Mini 2 is it's got the nice 4K camera. This shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second, whereas the original Mavic Mini only shot in 2.7K. So I just went with the upgrade to get the 4K. This also has a 30-minute battery life, and it can go 35 miles per hour. It also has got some quick shot features, they call them, that all you do is hit a button and they will do stuff like a helix, or it'll like take off and go far away from you while it's still aimed at you, all by itself. All you have to do is hit one button and then it returns. So we're going to test out all those features today in this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. And with that said, we'll jump into the drone shots. Alright guys, we're just going to get a couple driving shots now in the car. Put the car into manual, use the paddles. That was a huge kick.
That was. Alright guys, check this this Razor out up here. This thing actually looks fairly new. You can see he's got like these rock crawling wheels and tires on there. And he had a couple mods on that thing. I don't know if you saw the light bar, and then there was a winch. Yeah, really cool looking.
Alright guys, check out this RSX Type S right here. Really nice, pretty good. Not much rust, it seems. I pass it all the time. It's pretty cool to see. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, be sure go down, drop a like, and subscribe. We got as many drone shots in as we could. I am a complete beginner when piloting a drone, so hopefully we get some good shots and it turns out alright. More coming in the future as well. And of course, we are limited by the battery life on the drone. It's about 30 minutes, and when you're a beginner filming, you do a whole lot of messing around to figure out what you're actually trying to film before you can actually get the clip that you're going to put in the video. But with that said, that is going to be it for today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye guys.